If you want to get the best cordless drill according to your needs, then watch the video till the end and then decide. So let's get started. At number 1 position we have the DeWalt DCD701F2. This 20-volt heavy-duty brushless DeWalt DCD991P2 is one of our best performers, snagging top ratings for power, speed, and run time. But the hefty 5 amp-hour battery that produces all that power makes this drill heavy, unbalanced, and a bit awkward to handle. At 4.7 pounds, it's at least 1 pound heavier than most other heavy-duty drills and more than double the weight of some 12-volt models we've tested. Unlike most drills in our ratings, this DeWalt drill is equipped with 3 speed settings, providing a handy middle option for drilling into soft metals, such as aluminum, when the slow speed required for steel isn't enough and the fast speed for wood is too much. What's included? 2 5 amp-hour batteries, a belt hook, an LED light, a hard-sided case, and a 3-year warranty. Moving on to the next, at number 2 with Makita FD07R1. This general-use Makita is the 3rd brushless model in our general-use category. It weighs just over 2 pounds and stands barely 6 inches tall. Despite its slim profile, the Makita FD07R1 aced our power test and packs a serious punch, making it a solid alternative to some of the larger 18 and 20-volt models. It doesn't rate as well as some others for run time, but the kit comes with 2 batteries and a rapid charger, which tops off an empty battery in an impressive 60 minutes. What's included? 2 2 amp-hour batteries, a belt hook, an LED light, a hard-sided case, and a 3-year warranty. The number 3 position is held by Milwaukee 2500-322. If you're looking for a lighter drill that packs the power of a full-size model, check out the Milwaukee 2500-322. It offers the power, speed, and runtime of models that are significantly bigger and heavier, weighing only 3.2 pounds. It earns top marks for handling, in part because of the pistol grip and slim battery profile. What's included? 2 2 amp-hour batteries, a belt hook, an LED light, a hard-sided case, and a 5-year warranty. Next, at number 4 we have Ridgid R86116K. Although a bit bulky and noisy, the brushless Ridgid R86116K is more than adequate for drilling into wood, drywall, or various composite materials. Just have earplugs and 2 hands at the ready if your job is long. This model is one of the few high-scoring heavy-duty models under $200 in our ratings. It's great for sinking screws, too, with excellent speed and plenty of clutch settings to help you avoid damaging fasteners or other hardware. It even has hammer mode and an LED work light. While many 18-volt batteries take hours to reach a full charge, the battery on this drill takes only 60 minutes. What's included? It comes with 2 lithium-ion batteries, a belt hook, a case or bag for storage, and a 3-year warranty. Finally, the number 5 position is dominated by Hilti SFD2A. The unique Hilti SFD2 drill falls in our light-duty category because of the limitations of its fixed 1/4-inch chuck. That's not a problem, though, if you're not drilling large holes. Plus, it goes for half the price of many cordless drills with similar capabilities, while still proving to be reasonably powerful. A built-in LED light helps illuminate your workspace, and the drill's modest 2.2-pound weight minimizes strain and fatigue. What's included? 2 2.6 amp-hour batteries, a belt hook, an LED light, a soft-sided case, and a 20-year warranty, which goes far beyond the standard 3 years for cordless drills. That's all for today. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button for the upcoming video notification.